This is LDR. LDR is type of resistor whose resistance vary with the strength of light fall over it. When the light falls on the surface of LDR, then the resistance of LDR starts decreasing from a high value and vice versa when there is no light. The electron in the valence band jump to conduction band due to having high energy of photons in the incident light than the semiconductor material.
Now I want to show you how to determine the value of resistor. Here I got one resistor that have color brown, black, red and gold. We have to find the digit 1, digit 2, multiple and tolerance. For digit 1, the first color is brown. Brown is 1 and black is 0. For the multiply, red is 100 and tolerance gold is 5. We have to combine two digit become 10 and multiply by 100, so we got 1000 with tolerance 5 or 5%. So the value of resistance
Op-amp is a voltage comparator. Referring the figure before, the op-amp IC will compare the current at point C and point D through pin 2 and pin 3 respectively, and if the voltage at pin 3 is more than pin 2, the output at pin 6 will be high and vice versa. The LED will light up if output is high, and to get a high output, the resistance at LDR must be low. The transistor is work has switch for the lead. Every transistor has 3 legs, even for a PNP transistor. These legs have their own function and name. Transistor will act as a switch. Once the output at the op-amp is high, then a certain amount of current will be fed to the base of the transistor. and connect the current in the collector and emitter, thus completing the circuit. Referring the figure before, the figure shows the result that we make on the circuit. The first picture shows that the LED does not light up when the touchlight is far, which indicate no presence of light. The second picture shows that the LED light up when the touchlight is nearer, which indicate the presence of light. Referring the figure before, the figure shows the result of the circuit. In the first picture shows that the LED does not light up without the presence of light. The second picture shows that the LED light up in the presence of light. From this result, we can say that our circuit is functioning. The LED light up in the presence of light and vice versa, show that it can detect light very well. Thus, the circuit of Wheatstone Bridge light detector is working. This is the video of our circuit in action. In this part of the video, we will discuss about the problem that we face during soldering process. The quality of the solder not quite suitable for the soldering process. The soldering technique is not so well since the final result of the soldering is messy. The leg of the component did not trim nicely. We use the unsuitable LED for this circuit because the LED easy to print. The gap between potentiometer and the jumper is too close to each other. The solder bit hard to get the required temperature for the soldering.